What if I told you that people are literally getting paid just for walking? No joke. There are move-to-earn apps out there, like STEPN and Sweatcoin, that reward users with digital money just for moving around. Sounds like free money, right? Well, here's the crazy part. These apps are making billions. And guess what? This isn't just about fitness. It's a huge business opportunity, and you could be the next one to cash in. So, if you've ever thought about launching your own platform, this is your sign. Stick around because I'm about to break down how you can build move-to-earn apps like STEPN that actually work. If you're an entrepreneur looking for your next big idea, this is the video for you. Let's dive in. Move to earn, or M2E, is exactly what it sounds like. You move, you earn. These apps track your steps, your runs, your workouts, whatever, and reward you with digital tokens. And these aren't just points you can redeem for discounts. Nope. These are actual cryptocurrencies, meaning you can trade them, cash them out, or even use them in the app's ecosystem. So yeah, it's like getting paid to work out, but businesses are making way more money than the users, and I'll tell you why. So here's the big question. If people are earning money, then who's paying for it? Here's the shortest answer. The business model is pure genius. Let me break it down for you. First, there's the pay-to-play factor. A lot of these apps make users buy something first, like an NFT sneaker in the STEPN app, before they can start earning. And guess what? Those NFTs aren't cheap. Some were selling for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Then there are in-app transactions. Users are constantly buying, selling, and upgrading their digital assets, just like in a game. Some people are even willing to spend real money to get ahead. Another key element is tokenomics. These apps operate with their own tokens, and as more users join, the demand for these tokens increases, driving up their value. The company typically holds a large share of these tokens, meaning they profit big as prices rise. On top of that, there are brand partnerships. Sneaker companies, fitness brands, and even corporate wellness programs see the potential and want a piece of the action. They sponsor challenges, run ads, and even fund reward programs inside the app to engage users. So, while it might look like free money for users, the real cash flow is happening behind the scenes. This model is all about creating a system where businesses, investors, and app creators all see substantial gains. And that's why this is an opportunity you cannot ignore. Alright, let's take STEPN as an example to understand how apps like this actually work. It all starts with getting an NFT sneaker. Before users can begin earning, they have to buy a sneaker NFT. Each sneaker comes with different earning rates, so the better the sneaker, the higher the rewards. Once they have their sneaker, they can start moving. The app uses GPS to track their steps, whether they're walking, jogging, or running. Every step earns you in-game tokens. Those tokens are called GST, and it can be earned and spent in different ways. Users can upgrade their sneakers, buy new ones, or even trade the tokens for real money. This creates an active in-app economy where people reinvest to maximize their earnings. Now, to keep the system balanced, there's a burn mechanism in place. When users spend their tokens, a portion gets permanently removed from circulation. This helps control inflation and keeps the token value stable. It's like a game, a fitness app, and a crypto investment all rolled into one. But if you're thinking about launching your own move-to-earn app, the key isn't just replicating STEPN or similar apps. You need to make it unique. When it comes to move-to-earn apps, certain features are non-negotiable, but there are also loopholes that, if fixed, could give you a serious edge in the market. First, step tracking and anti-cheating measures are a must. Nobody wants users shaking their phones to fake steps, so GPS tracking, motion sensors, and AI detection need to be on point. Number 2. A crypto wallet integration is essential too. Users should be able to withdraw their earnings easily without unnecessary hurdles. Number 3. Social and community features that can take engagement to another level is also important. Number 4. Instead of a one-size-fits-all reward system, AI-driven rewards can make things more dynamic by adjusting earnings based on user behavior, fitness levels, or engagement. Number 5. You can offer new users multiple ways to join, like free trials, rentals, or tiered memberships, which could open the doors to a much larger audience. Beyond these core elements, other features that can take the experience even further are AI-powered anti-cheat systems to detect GPS spoofing, fake steps, or treadmill tricks. a tiered earning system for both free and premium users, a dynamic energy setup to limit daily earnings, multiple game modes, an NFT marketplace, and staking options for passive income. Gamification, AR integration, and a solid tokenomics model with buyback and burn mechanisms can also take things to the next level. The M2E space is already competitive, but here's the kicker. There's still room for innovation. A lot of existing apps have flaws. If you can solve these problems, your app can stand out. So, why should you care about this right now? Because this market is exploding. By 2028, the M2E fitness app market is expected to hit $1.2 billion. And that's just the start. Sweatcoin has already partnered with the UK's NHS to promote public health. Genopets is moving beyond Move to Earn. They just launched Sleep to Earn. Nike and Adidas are also stepping into Web3 fitness. Basically, smartphones are everywhere. People are obsessed with fitness. And the idea of earning while working out is super appealing. So let's talk about how to do that. Building an M2E app isn't just about tracking steps and handing out crypto rewards. If that were enough, every app would be a hit. The real challenge is blending fitness tracking, blockchain, and game mechanics, while keeping security tight and the experience smooth. So first, figure out your audience. Are you targeting fitness enthusiasts, crypto investors, or casual users? What makes your app stand out? STEPN requires NFT sneakers. Maybe yours offers a free entry option. Then comes the user journey. How will people sign up, sync fitness data, and start earning? What keeps them engaged? Daily challenges, leaderboards, and smart token rewards can make all the difference. On the tech side, you need a solid foundation. React Native or Swift/Kotlin for the front end, Node.js or Python for the back end, and a blockchain like Solana or Polygon for transactions. And don't forget security. Cheaters will try GPS spoofing and fake steps, so AI fraud detection is a must. Before launch, make sure to conduct real-world testing to see if the step tracking works accurately. Can the system handle thousands of transactions at once? Is the reward system hack-proof? Fixing these issues early will prevent major failures later. Here is what you can do. Start small with a core version, like step tracking, token rewards, and a basic wallet. Then expand with social features, gamification, and AR. But the real work actually happens after launch. Keeping users engaged, adjusting tokenomics, and blocking cheats are what make or break an M2E app. Building an M2E app isn't just about tracking steps and adding crypto rewards. If you want it to last, you need to get three things right. First, balance the blockchain economy and a token inflation. Second, ensure anti-fraud security. Lastly, make it fun and engaging, not just another earning app. So, here's the big picture. Move to Earn is the future. And like any booming industry, the early movers are the ones who make the biggest profits. If you've been thinking about launching your own M2E platform, now is the time. The market is still growing, competition has gaps, and with the right strategy, you could build the next big thing. If you're serious about creating an M2E platform and don't want to waste months figuring it all out on your own, let's talk. Drop a comment or reach out to our C-level experts right now using the link in the description.